who said Play-Doh is just for kids. In an amazing display of pointillism, mother of 3 Lacy Knudson puts together over 10,000 Play-Doh dots to create beautiful mosaics. It all started when Knudson was putting away her kids' clay one day. She began mushing it into little balls when she realized that these tiny, colorful dots could be put together to create great artwork. And the best part, she could spend time with her children while working. Knudson has a unique name for her process, Dozayix. It's a combination of Play-Doh and mosaics. And of course, a whole lot of fun. Her first piece was called A New World, for which she used 23 pounds of Play-Doh. She split it all into 10,000 half-inch dots, called Dozaic tiles, and perfectly arranged each dot to build her mosaic dots. Since that first piece, Knudson has created 2 more. Her mosaics generally vary in size from 3 times 4 feet to 4 times 8. A time-lapse video shows how she created another piece, the Lady Undine. It took her 6 months and 152 jars of clay to complete the project. She used 12,191 Dozaic tiles to create Undine. It appears that she paints the image first and then arranges the tiles over the corresponding color on the canvas. Towards the end, she glazes over the completed mosaic with some sort of a resin to keep the dots in place. To me, nature is inspiring and exhilarating, family and faith is where my heart is, and art is my passion and joyful expression of it all, she says. Knudson's mosaics are displayed on her website, where she also sells greeting cards and with original Dozayix artwork.